Hey guys, this is a quick video just to teach you to box corners. So if you needed a refresher on that, you don't have to search through a long video just to find it. So basically we're just going to use this little scrap piece of material and we're going to fold this up just like we were making a bag. We're going to sew down the sides. Okay, so you're going to pull it like this so that this is down the center, and then you're going to decide how wide you want your box to be. So if I want to do, say, an inch, you can just mark your line. Okay, so going to the other side, you're going to pull apart. You're going to make sure that this, I'm just going to put a little mark on the fold. Fiddle. Okay. And you're going to pull this apart. And then you want to make sure that that little mark you made lines up, has the seam sitting right on top of it so that you know you're in the center. And then lay this down. And let's measure an inch again, like we did at the other end. So now we would just bring that over here. We're going to go back to the other end. Now, once you have them, you have now boxed your corners. So what that's going to let you do is when you turn it, instead of having this one little crease down here and a narrow bag, when you box it, it gives you like a little squared off bottom inside there. Like that. Now, it's up to you if you want to, let me open it back up here. So it's going to be up to you if you want to cut these off, you can. I don't really see that it's necessary. And if you end up inserting a liner, it's not going to be seen anyway. But even if you don't, I don't see the point in cutting them off really. But you can. Now there is another way to do it. Let me grab another scrap piece of fabric. Okay, on this one I almost got ahead of myself. So what you're going to want to do, let me grab my marker again. Now you can either cut out a little square or you can use this. And let's say we want to measure in a 1/2 inch. So I'm going to make a little mark here for my 1/2 inch. And then I want to measure up a 1/2 inch so that it's a square. And we'll just draw that line up, turn it, and do the same. going to do the same thing over here. Now once they're cut, you would start up here and you sew down just like you normally would. I realized over here I'd mismeasured, so I remeasured and cut it correctly. Okay, now whenever you pull this apart, you'll just line this up where it's been cut, and then you'll sew across. Okay, and then the same scenario. You'll just turn it, and punch out your squared corners. And you have essentially the same thing, except you're definitely going to have raw edges inside. For me, the ruler, the measuring, and marking, cutting, sewing just takes longer than doing it this way. So either way though, we'll box those corners. I just wanted to give you both options. So anyway, have a great day, guys. Okay, now whenever you pull this apart,